Queen her Jpac wife, right? I hope you guys know who she is, right? This is Jpac wife, wear belly face wife, right? And you know what the husband represents online, right? And they wedded in Catholic Church today, right? Good. This is Jpac wife, right? Am I making sense? I think you guys know who this is. Do you guys know who this is? Jpac wife, right? This is someone's wife, right? And this is what she wore to church, right? This is Jpac wife. Guys, please, if you're coming in, I would like you to share this video. If you are coming in, I would like you to share this video. Let us congratulate Jpac and also emphasize on some certain things. What I'm doing is what Jpac will do 20 times. So nobody will come here and tell me otherwise. This is Jpac wife, right? Does she look familiar? Do you know who she is? Please, if you are coming across this video, I would like you to share it. This is what Jpac wife wore to church. This is what she wore to church. And none of her so-called friends were able to tell him that this premises is for church premises. And you are now going to become a wife. Even if you want to sample this, let it be you and I going out but this place is church. This is Jpac wife, right? Anything I'm doing is what Jpac will do 1 million times. So anybody that wants to come here and talk nonsense, it will about one negi. It will about one negi. This is Jpac wife, right? Please come across this video, share this video. I'm not here to see whether she's beautiful, but beauty without sense is rubbish. Emma Chamma without brain is rubbish. Emma Chamma without common sense is rubbish. Because that is why Oji Mama. But common sense is not common. Even if Jpac ain't sense, don't she have sense too? Don't she have sense too? Or better than Igbo negi. Because otula murugi munapuna. Nne murugi bakawa. Or better than Igbo negi. Or better than a shawo negi. Igbo murugi bakawa. Because he were daft. Igbo murugi nega wash. Or even the apunake the cheaper than the kemuru negi. Again, merciful. You are a real prostitute. It's only prostitutes can support this rubbish. I want to Ghana seduce men of God. I want to Ghana seduce ya. Jimda congratulate ya. Apona, look at somebody you call a wife that dressed to church. Chideke go. Hold on, let me answer my husband. Hello, babe. Yeah. Chabaka. Yeah. I'm life. I'm talking about the Bia all this woman shower. All this woman shower chain and haga ludi mecha. Eh? If Jpac will come out and call other women a prostitute, Jpac wife is not exemption from it. Nothing exempted Jpac wife from this. See, all this woman upon her commenting. Who is contemplating whether mama am I competing beauty with anybody? But thank God that God gave me common sense, that I'm not stupid and hopeless. What I go? Jpac and the one here, the very hopeless. Can't you see how ugly I look? But God do me sense. Oga kama nam joronjo, but to make common sense that will represent me when I go out there. Something that can be able to be magnificent when you see me. And something today is not. Come on, get the fuck out of here. If you on platform, go me mam get join Jpac when you're in Dawson. And when I date, that is the date. Even the Jpac na level, I go saga Jpac if it's necessary. Even Jpac, look at it, Diana. Even Jpac now, ever you guys forget history so easily. I will remind all of you. There ya, pastor, priest, you did the wrong. Look at. Cover here is only cleavage. Sorry, only nipples. Look at. They Jpac me one allow. Yabaro or just seduce or oppressed. Okay, in a mecha here because one again Runa Keza Egypt hypocrisy on your channel. And you think all this so-called dobu Biagana ya who chana I don't want to get pafara. Haga to where because she's easy, she's money monger. She is money monger. If she can go to Egypt, because of Eva. Eva with a big man. Why do you think all this in there the waga eh? Why do you think Emuna she prissy father are you guys not the cause? Are you guys not the cause of father Naruto? There is place for everything. Am I arguing that she's not supposed to wear cleavage? No. The point is that is not the right place for it. When you go to church, you dress very professionally. Cover your nonsense. Kembe show about na TikTok, about na Instagram. And we hope and go so pants about also na Instagram, na TikTok. Haven't you seen her? Oh, go and maybe you'll delete channel, but take him those pictures. If she denies it, man, pastor get boss down the pants. Nobody give a fuck about those places. But we're talking about in the house of God, where God do reverence. Yeah, but this look at. Here's somebody dressed. Get your back to Lucas, so you make a wedding. Which wedding? Our wedding is capital. I got wood to open. Oh, you never went in a one. I got each am reaching. Our wedding, I judge you. You want me to be? You want me to tell you the way it is? I'm a guy wedding. What is wedding? Which wedding? Eh? Which wedding? Ma juoge. Ya wuru magoge mega allow yiri ha. For those of you that want to come and talk rubbish, magoge mega allow yiri ha gi who father ga me wedding. So you want to tell me that these people did not test their wedding gown, and they believe that this is the normal way to run it. Guys, please share this video. Share this video. Imami, ya wuru me dey dress like this. Don't share it. Ya wuru ma nwanne gi nwanyị dress ya like this na eme wedding. You like it, don't share it. Ya wuru ma mmago ga ma accept this kind of dressing in the church to seduce. Una man and their father need to, they're not supposed to be putting their eyes on things like ichoka mweteregi video pa father je lega ara. Ichoka mweteregi video mam ji screenshot father na ele imara. Tomorrow now, if father commits, you say, Father Anagato. Why do you guys are the cause? Eh? You guys are the cause. One day you man I ye. Mabasha panuku. Because Jpac Jarak in the panuku. Eh? Mabasha panuku. Gape you father. And somebody say leave it today is which wedding? Even if you Jpac in on a one yam on a repo room. I would, if I'm a popular him as Jack a doctor and one and Igbo, can I corrupish? Eh? Jpac every day, Jpac and I want them to not one show. Oh, you guys don't know. Una, even Jpac get put in the grand church and not torment. Yana room more, ya can just get him back. He talks that day. I told him, Kapipi, Biana, that special day. That guy, I somebody a war. A special day. What is special day about Jpac? Eh? Oh, special day. I have to read work. How many years going on before you know wedding? Want to tell me special? Which is special day? Special day that you are holy. Special day that you are holy. Do you know what is wedding? Do you know what is wedding? If I may ask you, do you know what is wedding? Get your wedding. God joke and the assemblies of God do wedding. Came on here wedding. Igeb, Jeremy Lehem Shimanaku. And I call it, which is special day. Jpac on a special day. That will rock on Nagana boom. Now, Biacoeri. You know, Jack and the Dibia. You know, Jack and the Dibia, Japan, Ringanaka. Every day, church, every day, Japan is some church, Koga with. Make anybody come here, come tell me say a special day. You get special buon wegi. Get special buon wegi na special day. And I call it. I will joke and I will bamba jum. I don't no shame by me. Jpac and Manu Ganana level. Jpac and I won't have a war. I'm not going to make a if you don't come to my wedding, I will start from 27, 28. Because I get why war until the end, end there. When I don't see that one, make it come here, come talk rubbish. And I call it, share again. Can you get condemn Waro? And I congratulate my letter. Soon I put him in. And I call it. If you know, okay, but like, if you remember, Sean. If we are okay, I will close my mouth. Eh? That you have forgotten how Jpac that torment other people. Eh? Guys, share this video. Me urana Jpac. Ma pay on the Facebook. Oh yeah. Here one Jpac jiriba time. Because the Catholic, what happened? Jpac Catholic or one of the restricted church ever. Father, because which priest, which made this lady a wedding? Because we want to find out this father. Because I'm a drag father on a church here. Now this blew up. I have to drag that father. Share this video. Father and auntie. Because this thing will become a Catholic method of doing things. This will because share this video because I will drag that Paris church. I will drag that Paris church. We have to let Jpac on be the end. Uno manana Paris on no me wedding one anything matter that Paris. Anything matter that location. I need to know that. Ibo chamugu negi umuku. Nagi umuku. I'm a drag that father. My job fathership because because I pastors and reverend father that will send you out of the church. Go and dress properly. That this place is not party. This place is not club. Does it mean that this father who is far? I want to ask this question. I want to drag that to Paris. Jordan Paris, Sonia. I'm a drag that father. I will drag him. I will drag that Paris. Is that the normal way Catholic people present themselves when things like wedding? Because Catholic does not condone this kind of things. Eh? Shall I move this video? Tell me, because some got Dr. Hukunama. I'm a Dr. Ugina and the father Hukunama. He get Jabamia. Because Jpac they drag pastors, drag a father, drag an atsu. Why won't I drag it? Yeah, now this one. Any dream location, Jpac him a wedding. Anything that location, anything the Paris. Where is the Paris? A better will be called repeat here. Because I mention all the Paris. Bamia here. Where is the share them this video? Share them with this video because we hand some Catholic church. Some of them war Catholic. Because is that the uniform that the Catholic represents? Here we hand the Catholic in a represent. Actually, I'm in the Catholic. You are man, oh yeah. And then the father and one girl, father and one girl, father and two girls, father and oh, yeah, I'm Jpac, father, Paraman again. She and all, and I'm also Baraya. Now got my email, but Yabola dear, no, but Yana, what are you going to say? What are you going to say? Eh? Actually, I'm the Catholic, yo. Because I'm actually one of a lot of Catholics that follows me on this blow up. Here, woman, oh yeah, a wedding. Here, man, oh yeah, a wedding, the Catholic. Here, man, no yeah, no who got I don't want Jpac. No who got no who got watermelon a poor Dorobi. Is that how you guys represent the house of God in the name of wedding? No, because people think Ogechi. See, I don't. And when he was from now, I'm gonna when you put Lordi. Dika all over I'm not chineke. All this, I am saying it the way Jpac is with other people. Because I would another person made a wedding now. Jpac got Oroge, Dagim Pokom Pop. So why won't that dollar Jpac Pokompo? Where if she can cover fire haka trailer? Why didn't she cover a fire? Because she cover her. If she can cover a fire, Nini you cover a fire and Yemana yoye. Why the opening this side? Ajugamge, Yaruma go cover a fire a trailer. 911 hunde mataya sa fixing am po. Then why is it that Ojiri Okofa Hana? Who is calling me? Hello, sugar. I'm on life, oh. And me got my man on life. Send the other the video. Ocean I got was in a check go low and I had no buzzing a go low with Nishi. Akwala no me no chori buri man ihe buri ibu. Give me kwala no ikare egba ha juta price ebe ahụ na. Okwa let me get send the hook again. She a biko ya kpo ha juwa ha price ha niile because so ihe ji na. Oya kan kwuru ya juna price ya ebere gide ego. Ejita price nka ya ebere gị ego na. Owo me na ama price ihe ya ebere gị ego. It is the that just support that my brother. This year because when Ogechi reach out to them, each of them away goal. By then, ma bazie ya shile kwa ki choose. By ye berege ego. All right. I'm going. Lekwa father, lekwa banya father gaga. Ihuna banya father gaga ara nwani Jpac. Uno shinore mma. And you guys said it's good. Lekwa ya, we mere ginanya lekwa ya. Father na agoji elara. Ina huya. Do you see how father eyes is going straight to the ara? Eh? Ihunu ba fa anya father di no rima ara. Ndo Ogechi. Ela onye abu just kpọpụ m na ọ na-ajụ na ha chọrọ ịga buru ya this morning. Okay. 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 You gotta join the num life. Join the anum give ya kwoma continue him neku. And why how many? You know, be on hedge maybe business ubu with the saga magama ha. Yaru be na get back we get ku nde buri buchara ezo biko. Yeah.